What's up? Today we're going to swap out the Honda Grom tires for some new tires. Went with some knobbies, so stay tuned. So here are the tools I'm using to swap out the tires. I got a couple 8-inch clamps, a couple tire spoons, and some rim protectors. Now I got the clamps and the spoons from Harbor Freight. You can actually go online on eBay and get a spoon and tire protector kit. It's like $19 or something like that. But I didn't have time to wait for eBay to come through. So I went to Harbor Freight and got these. These are $5 each. I had to get these at Cycle Gear, as much as I dislike Cycle Gear anymore. And you can get these at Harbor Freight as well.
Got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's real and new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Well, I finally got this front tire on. That was a pain in the butt. I really thought it was going to be a lot easier than that. And I actually dinged up my rim a little bit. The paint on these rims is not very tough. Like it chipped really easily. Like you just tap, if you tap that iron on there, it chips right off. I eventually want to get new rims, but right now I'm not going to. I'll leave them chipped. It's fine. I'm not too worried about it. I think this chip right here, that's not from changing the tire. That was, I don't know, I think a rock hit it or something.
I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.